Hey y'all, welcome back to Exclusive Tina. Welcome back to Exclusive Tina, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, hey y'all, hey friends. So today I am going to be taking out my 2-strand twist. I had them in for about 2 weeks now, and I'm just like, okay, I'm bored. It's time. I was gonna keep them in for at least a month, but like I said, I'm bored. And also, I think it's a sign for me to take them out because some of the rubber bands are missing. I don't know where they went, but like this one, I just feel like it is a sign that it's ready to come out. So I'm very excited to see how crinkly my 2-strand twists are. I'm going to be talking to y'all about my Loc Sprinkles because they're starting to get annoying. But first, let's go ahead and separate my locks. So I like to do these in sections because for some reason I just always have these random 2-strand twists in my head when I think that I'm done taking out my 2-strand twists. So I like to just put them in sections to make everything a little bit easier for me. So I have one big section in the back, but I'm definitely going to end up putting that in 2 sections when I get back there. So I'm going to start in the front. Actually, I'm going to start on this side. Let's talk about the Loc Sprinkles, okay? Ooh, look at that. So curly. Yo, these are gonna be so freaking cute when I take them out. Y'all, look how defined my 2-strand twists are. They're gonna be so cute and curly. A little dangerous, but that ain't gonna hurt nobody. So I had my Loc Sprinkles in my head for about 6-7 months now. And I get asked this question, what are they for? My Loc Sprinkles are basically for aesthetic purposes. I just think they're cute. They're not spiritual, or I don't know. They just look cute. They catch people's eyes. I wish there was an easier way to take these freaking rubber bands out. I just do. Because I know I pulled out a Loc Sprinkle trying to be impatient. Look at my little, got a little crinkle to it. They definitely draw more attention to my locks, unfortunately, and I hate it. I honestly hate it because I had my first experience where somebody touched my hair without asking. I had multiple occasions where this has happened, and it was just like, it made me really uncomfortable because first of all, I'm not a very confrontational person. Like, I don't like conflict. Like, I don't know. I just wasn't finna be like, don't touch my hair. Like, I just wasn't about to cause a scene. But like, this lady, she touched my locks because she was curious about what was in them. And it's like, all you have to do is just ask, like, what's in my hair. But she touched them and I was bamboozled because her fingers smelled like cigarettes. And I'm like, you're just putting all your little germs in my locks because you want to touch my Loc Sprinkles. So when that happened, it happened like another time, maybe like 2 weeks later. And I literally was thinking about just taking the Loc Sprinkles out because I don't like people touching me, my personal space. Like, it was just a little bit too much and it's overwhelming. And people just feel so comfortable touching other people's hair. Like, I don't know. Like, do I have a welcoming face? Like, it was just so awkward because like all these other people that were around me, they're just looking at me. I don't like that type of attention, and I have a very subtle color for my Loc Sprinkles. Not like hot pink or yellow or blue or white. They're bronze. It's like an antique bronze. So they're not super like bright, but they still attract attention. And I just cannot deal with the amount of people that literally want to touch my locks. Like I can tell some people who kind of like I want to touch them, but I don't want to touch them. Like they give that kind of vibe off. They know better. But the people who just don't care, I don't get it. Because I would never go out here touching people's hair. It's because I like it. And I don't know if it's like a southern thing, because in the South, you don't really see too many people just out here rocking locks. Like you'll see it because it's starting to be like more common, but like if you go to DC or like up north like New York, like you'll see more people wearing locks, and I guess it's more normalized up there. But down here, folks just be so dang curious, and I'm just like, keep your hands to yourself. Didn't we learn that in like what, preschool? Just keep them to yourself and we won't have no problems. But here we are. I can't wait. Right here, when I hit my 2 years, I think I'll be collarbone length. Okay, so I just finished this side. Now I'm going to do the back. They're so cute. I love it. My hair looks really long here. Like it looks super long. Not that long. Okay, is it out? Are they all out? Okay, I think I got them all out. So now I gotta put these up in the front, and now we gotta do the back. I still have them in because I really do like the look of them, but they might get taken out if one more person put their hands in my head trying to see what they are, because it's annoying. It is annoying. I can tell you that. I also got a question if any of them have fallen out. No, all of them have been in there. I have yanked one out before when I was trying to do, when I was trying to take out my 2-strand twist because I was getting impatient, and I just pulled the rubber band down like that, and it took the Loc Sprinkle out with it. Okay, so I think I got all of them out. This is, I know there's one in here somewhere. This is what the back's looking like. Take down the front. How freaking cute. Let me go to the bathroom and make sure I got all these out my head. Be back. I knew it was one in here that I was missing. It's always just one. And I would have found this randomly one day at work. Like, but they look so good. Oh my goodness. Like, this is... How crinkly can they get? I have to do it again next month because I got places to go, and this is going to be so cute. This is going to be cute. Let me do a 360 for y'all. Will I ever wear a side part? Probably not. And maybe until my hair gets a little longer. But right now, we're gonna rock the middle part forever. But this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.